How long could you listen to me eat into the mic before you wanted to attack me? Probably not for too long, especially if you had misophonia, a decreased tolerance to certain sounds like chewing, pencil clicking, and heavy breathing, which trigger reactions of avoidance or anger. These reactions can be physiological, behavioral, or psychological. Physiologically, the reaction is a lot like going into fight or flight mode, and it can include these symptoms. Psychologically, people can experience a range of strong negative emotions, including the following. Behaviorally, it's common to see some display of avoidance, anger, or disgust. In more severe cases, somebody might feel like they have to leave the area where the noise is occurring, or they might protest verbally to try to stop the noise. And in rare cases, people can even become violent. One descriptor of misophonia is that it's like accidentally turning on a song or a video at full volume and then being unable to turn it down. If that's ever happened to you, you know you just want that noise to stop at all costs.